Duster trying to reform there, so we might try and get a bit. Don't think it's going to do much, per usual. Very recently. On the wrong side of the storm. Might have actually gone east of me actually. Very strong outflow. Probably the best I've seen all year. Yeah, getting some gusty winds now. Getting some intense winds now. That is getting intense now. Wind is violent. Howling across the dam. Some intense wind right there. Lots of little small hail. Now it's going to be a bit of a dangerous part. Oh dear. Section there. Let's just get a bit closer to it. That is very impressive. Beautiful mezzo with the wall cloud. Okay. We are about 20 k's north of Golgong right now. That's savage. Still on the right side of the storm. It's flying to my north. Might give us a CG. Some good rotation in that wall cloud just there. And here's a RFB meso thing here. And it's rotating there as well. Missing time lapse there. Oh, CG. Beautiful. Storm appears to have somewhat weakened, but it's also beaten me to Dunedoo. But anyway, my car's already trashed by hail, so we'll see if this cell has anything big in it. Still got a decent base on it. Let's see. Probably can't. But it looks like it's weakened. But it's still going to pack a punch. Holy crap! That wind is fucking ridiculous. Jesus. Holy shit, man. Okay, getting out of this. Getting out of this. Fuck. Look at the right side of my car gets dented, it's fine. Jesus. Fuck. These winds are so intense. There's some big stones there. Some big stuff.